You want this or that? Hi sweets, how y'all babies do today? So in this video, we're on and on and on and on. Chantelani's back with another one. I'm trying to make it a thing, y'all. Like I said it in one video and I just loved it. I'm trying to make it a thing. Like, should I make it a thing? Let me know. Alright, so in this video, I just wanted to share some info with you guys about myself. So we have all these Instagram templates going around talking about this or that. Would you rather? What are the nice things? So I was just like, I'm gonna do one for the tube, you know? So I just found a bunch of random questions on the internet and I'm gonna answer them for y'all. So let's go. Let's get to know me. This or that? You want this or that? I'm sorry, let's go. So the first one is, so most of these are food related for now. And of course, you know, I'm a foodie. I'm obsessed with food. It only makes sense. So let's go. Fish or steak? Fish. I do not like beef. No. Eggs or oatmeal? Bun all of them. Don't like any of them. Coffee or tea? Green tea, please. Thank you. Come again. Oh! Juice or water? Water for sure. Juice just make me thirsty for water. White bread or wheat bread? Wheat bread, but no bread preferably. Cakes or donuts? Cake, 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 cake. Sorry, I had to. Ice cream or sorbet? Y'all can answer this one for me. Let me know, which one am I choosing? Ice cream, duh. Sorbet. What's a sorbet? Why am I gonna get a sorbet when I can get ice cream? Like, hello. No thank you, I'm gonna take my ice cream. Pork or chicken? What kind of pork? Is it like chicken? Chicken. Bacon or sausage? I love sausage. Scrambled eggs or over easy? Bone egg. Like, but scrambled. I don't like over easy. That runny egg thing, that ain't my style. Action movies or drama? Definitely action movies. Drama movies tend to piss me off. Comedy or thrillers? Comedy, I love to laugh. Romantic or documentaries? Open your eyes. I'm flying. Documentaries. Romantic movies are annoying. Real life don't work like that. I know, my ass been single all this time. Reality or fiction? I'd say fiction. Reality TV is not reality, it's still fiction. So let's just go with fiction and done. Family or adult movies?
Oh, you nasty.
I'ma pass this one. I'ma hit pass on this one, okay? Romance novels or spy novels? Fun romance. Anything that is not realistic romance but doesn't want. Horror stories or mysteries? Definitely horror. I love horror movies. Like, I love watching it. Like, I laugh when scary things happen. Like, I love horror movies. John Wayne or Clint Eastwood? I feel like they're an actor. I don't know. So we're going into fashion now. We have jeans and a tee or a suit. I'm gonna go jeans and a tee. Dress or pants? Pants. Formal or casual? I love to dress up, so I'm gonna go formal. Sneakers or dress shoes? Definitely sneakers. Sandals or high heels? High heels. Makeup or none?
Makeup.
Talk to me.
Makeup.
I be cute without makeup, but I love me some makeup. Paintings or photos? Definitely photos. Black and white or color? Black and white. I feel like there's a lot more depth to black and white. Drapes or blinds? How about regular curtain? How about that? How about that? Paint or paper? I don't even know what that means. What am I choosing between?
Wallpaper.
Oh, paint or wallpaper? Definitely paint. iOS or Android? There can only be one, y'all, and it's gonna be Apple. Alright, so of course we're gonna take it back to Jamaica. We gotta do it yardie style. So, oxtail gravy or curry gravy? Oxtail gravy is a gift from God. Whether I have to pay $20 fees or not, it's a gift from God. Like, if you've never tried it, you have to. Like, it's better than curry. Take my advice. Beach or river? Beach. You know, rivers are kind of nice, but beach. You get prettier bubbles. Bun or bulla? I want to say bun, but I don't like the word bun because I went mean in Jamaica, so I'm going to say neither. Because I cannot take buns. But I like eat buns. Call it bun for bun.
Regular.
Green planting or ripe planting? Why am I have to choose? Why we can't just have planting? Nah, there's no this or that when it comes to planting. All plantings are accepted here, okay? All of them. Porridge or soup? I doesn't like soup, but I love porridge. As long as it's not oatmeal. I love porridge, y'all. Festival or bami? Definitely festival. Ooh, a good festival. I want to go Elsha. Somebody can go Elsha and go eat some fish on festival also. No? No? Okay. Never mind. Bolt or a Safa? It's gonna be a no for me, dog. We have a surprise. Both of you are going home. Alright, so we're gonna do the last set, and these are 90s inspired, and this is a template by Rush Camp, and he's also a YouTuber here on YouTube. So yeah. Alright, so floppy disk or cassette? Cassette. Yeah, you remember when we used to like listen to the radio, tape it, and then rewind it so we can listen to our favorite song? Yo, that's like memories of childhood right now. Nickelodeon or Disney? Definitely Disney. I love Disney. Loved Disney. MSN Messenger or MySpace? You know I love having my top 5 friends, but MSN Messenger was my wave. Dark Aunt Viv or Light Aunt Viv? Dark Aunt Viv was the best. She was hella fire. She was better than Light Aunt Viv. You know, she was better. No lies. Motorola Razr or Nokia 3310? I'm gonna say Nokia 3310 because I never had a Razr because I ain't never couldn't afford it. Okay, my mother wasn't gonna buy me no expensive phone. Nokia 3310. Thank you. Hey Arnold or Doug?
Move it, football head!
Hey Arnold! Move it, football head! I really like that. Use the internet or use the phone? My sister will say I'm gonna choose the phone, but I'm using the internet for sure, for sure. Fruit roll up or ring pop? I used to love a ring pop, and I'd keep it on my finger and be like, ooh, I'm married, yes. Wow, look at my childhood. Let's see how that turned out.
Or a lollipop.
Disrespectful, y'all. Pokemon or Yu-Gi-Oh? Yu-Gi-Oh, fight me, fight me, fight me.
Exodia, obliterate!
Square up. I love Yu-Gi-Oh. Love. NSYNC or Backstreet Boys? You know, like, I feel like a part of me hated Backstreet Boys growing up. I really did. Like, NSYNC was my wave. Justin Timberlake, he could go bye, bye, bye. No, I like him. Oh, that's it. So those are all the ones from Rush's template. So that is the end of this video, guys. I really hope you guys learned something a little bit more about me. If there's any one of these questions that stood out to you that my answer was like, Chantal, you crazy? Leave it in the comment below. Let me know. Let's debate it. Let's fight this one out. Let's see what people think. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, I'm tired from button up. So I'm going to ask you very nicely to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And I'll see you in the next upload.